Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Students, let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Today we will discuss useful application of solvent and solution. As we have started our chapter number 3, which is solutions and suspension. In this video I will explain you about the useful applications of solvents and solutions. Student, we have many application of solvent and a solution. If we discuss about the application, we have a following points. For example, the solvent and a solution is used in homes, is used in industries. The solvent and solution is also have application in agriculture and in medicines also. So first of all, I will explain you about the application of solvent and solution in homes. Students, water as a solvent is frequently used in homes for cooking, washing, bathing and making drinks. Tea leaves do not dissolve in water, but some of their flavor does. Glucose, coffee and other beverages are made into the aqueous solution before they are drank. Water also dissolves detergents and many types of stains, hence it is used for cleaning purpose. Students, other common solvent and solutions used in homes include liquid detergents, cleaning stains, thinner, turpentine. Next point is use of solvent and solution in industries. In industries, many industrial processes, especially those in manufacturing and chemical industries, involves chemical reaction. And student, most of these chemical reaction can only take place in this solution. For water, for example, is used as a raw material in the manufacture of food, drinks, textiles, soaps, shampoo, detergent, cement, ink, dyes and colored material. So student, the water is used as a raw material in all these industries. Student, next is heavy industries and aerosol sprays uses a great variety of alloys. What are alloys? Alloys is a mixture of metals and which actually solid solution of different metals. Steel, for example, steel is an alloy of iron and carbon and it is used in the industry. So this is the example of solvent used in the industries. Student, next is turpentine, alcohol, thinner and many other types of solvent are used in the manufacture of paint, inks, dyes and other colored materials. Next application is in agriculture, that in agriculture, student, water and many other solvents are used and making our agriculture faster and faster. Student, in when we apply fertilizers to the soil, we also need to apply water so that the plant can absorb essential nutrients which dissolve in the water. So student, fertilizer need water to dissolve in the soil, and this is the application of solvent used in the agriculture. Next student, use is in hydroponics. The roots of plant are immersed in the solution containing nutrients. And next is the poisons such as weed killer have to soluble in water in order to be effective in killing weeds. So we need water to mix the poisons for killing the weeds. Student, weeds destroy our crops, so we have to use the poison for killing them. Next application is in medicines. Student, the medicines also involves use of solvent and a solution. For example, medicinal drugs often do not have a pleasant taste. They are usually mixed with sugar solution to form either a solution or a suspension. You can also you are also using the medicines in our homes also. So the sugar made our medicines sweet for the taste. Next student, cough mixture, antiseptic lotion, eye drops and even vitamin C enriched drinks are solutions. So student, these are some examples of solution and solvent used in the medicine. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने अगर घर में गौर किया हो, मेडिसिन्स लेते हैं, मेडिसिन्स के साइड पे जो है इस तरह से हमारे पास कुछ मिक्सचर होता है, दैट दिस इज़ अ कफ मिक्सचर सोल्यूशन। स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें हमारे पास सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिखे होते हैं. सो दी ऑल दीज इंग्रेडिएंट्स मेकिंग दिस सोल्यूशन ऑफ दैट कफ मिक्सचर. सो सोल्यूशन एंड सॉल्वेंट also used in medicine and in the medicinal drugs. So this is all about you today's lecture. In this video I have explained you about the some useful application of solvent and solution in detail. Thank you, students.